It's Queen Cuisine with a fried fish, fried potatoes with butter pea. I'm using frozen cod fillets, some white potatoes. Yeah, you watch me work it. Also onion and some green peppers. I'm talking about the onion, not the booty. Now I'm chopping up the potatoes so that they can be nicely diced into nice, wonderful pieces, picking them apart so they can be fully diced. Put that in the bowl, chop up the green peppers, and I'm going to put them into the bowl with also the potatoes as well. Chop them up. Now I'm doing the onions, get them nice and chopped up as well, and I'm going to place them in the same bowl with the green peppers and the potatoes. Add a little bit of olive oil, paprika, black pepper, garlic sauce, natural seasoning sauce, and a little bit of some salt as well. Now mix it up. Get all the seasoning nicely done. Make sure that all of the veggies are nice and seasoned. Now season the fillets with some natural season, onions, garlic, black pepper. You want to make sure you get all sides of the meat. And of course, sprinkle some seafood, cooking flour over it. Both sides, please. Now that's not going to be all of it, but I'll get back to that later. Here now, put the oil into your pan. Put more seasoning in the bag because you're going to put that for the fish. Checking my oil, making sure that's over there popping. Yes, and get that fish in. See that? Look at that. Oh, that fish is cooking. Potatoes, peas. Oh my goodness. And voila. This is what the finished product is. Fried fish and butter peas, and look at them potatoes. Queen Cuisine, diamond to queen.